in the back doing some planting. Got a nice birdhouse set up, and I'm in the back with Peekaboo here. Right? And we're just in the back. And guess who just flies up? Guess who flies up? This guy. And I'm just like, wait a minute. You're not a sparrow. You're not like any other bird we've ever seen. And I had 2 extra cages in the garage. This one has no bottom, ironically, because I got rid of it. So anyways, so he's eating on the ground next to here. And I just put this right over him. And I say that he is happy. And I look at it as a sign from God that he came to me.